I just got my box from GLOSSYBOX, and I'm doing a little unboxing to show you what's inside this amazing box that they sent. So the first thing is the COLAB dry shampoo. You guys know I actually have and use this stuff. It's amazing. This one is the original, but they come with a bunch of different scents and smells, but no white residue on the head, which is great. Such a good full-size product. Then I got this Rose Papaya B5 face exfoliant from Avant, which I'm super excited about. I always have to do like the smell test to see. It smells really, really good, so I'll definitely be doing that tonight. I need a good exfoliator. I feel like I never really exfoliate, so this is really great. Then, perfect in the time of quarantine, is this awesome nail color from Be Your Incredible Self with Nails.Inc. I love this color here. It's called Blossom Kisses. I need to desperately do my own nails, so this is going to be really great. Also a full size product, which is awesome. I feel like in certain boxes like these, you only get like the trial size and you won't really get a full like feel of it. So these are nice. Then I got this 3-in-1 sheet mask. So this has retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. It says that it can help revitalize, refresh, and restore in just one step. And this thing has some like meat to it, so I'm excited to do my nails, exfoliate, dry shampoo my hair, wear a mask. And then I thought that this was really cool. They're hand-drawn and cruelty-free temporary tattoos that you can put on. Just like really cute floral designs, which I thought was really fun. And then finally, I got this little perfume guy. It's the Flower Bomb Nectar from Viktor&Rolf. I opened it up a little bit ago and got it all over me, so I smell really delicious and on the bed. But this is a really nice perfume. I got it more on me here, so I'll just gonna be smelling great for all day long. But yeah, I got these really awesome things in the GLOSSYBOX. I hope you like this little unboxing, and you can swipe up for your 22% off discount off your first box with my special link and code. If you have any questions about GLOSSYBOX, let me know. You can leave me a comment or swipe up and leave me a DM.